The next topic we have to study in this chapter is square root of a number. What is the square root of a number? Methods of finding square root of the number. We are going to do these things here. Now let us come to the very first thing. What is the square root of a number? See, we know 4 into 4 is 16. What do we call 16? Square of a number. This 4 will become square root of a number. What is this 4 called? Square root of a number. Like I am writing 12 into 12, that is 144. So this 12 is square root of a number. Of a number means of which number it is a square root? Of 144. Okay, how it is written? If I am asking you square root of 144, this sign, you are seeing this sign like this. This sign is called square root. So we have to find square root of 144. 144 is written 12 into 12. We know this, right? Out of these two 12, we only take one and remove the sign. So this becomes the square root of 144. We don't put the sign on 12. So 12 is the square root of 144. Like if I'm asking you what is square root of 169, that is 13 into 13. So its answer will be 13. Square root of 169 is 13. Like we used to do square of a number. What is square of 13? Like this we used to write, that is 169. What is square root of 169? That is 13. This is what the square root is called. Right now I am just teaching you what is the square root. Next we'll come to how we find the square root. Okay, this is just I am teaching you what is the square root. This is the this sign is the symbol of the square root. Okay, the very first method, we are going to study two methods. The first method is prime factorization method. The first method that we are going to study for finding the square root is prime factorization method. Now what is this prime factorization method? Let us come to this. Suppose I have to find square root of 400. Okay, how I am going to do this? We'll write it like this by using prime factorization method. So here we are going to find the prime factors of 400. How we are going to do this? Just like the way we used to find HCF, we used to do the factorization. Here also I am going to do the factorization. 2 2s are 4, then 2 1, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 5, 1s are. Right? This is for 400. The factors 2 2s are, then 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Always remember all the numbers coming here should be prime numbers. It should be prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Like this it should be a prime number. Okay, that's why it is called prime factorization. So 400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now I have to find a square root of 400. Like this I am going to put the sign. Right? For finding the square root, see the term is square. Square means 2. What I am going to do, I am going to form a pair of 2 numbers. Like ये दो 2 हैं, I'll form them as one pair. This 2 will be form one pair. These two will form one pair. सेम नंबर्स के पेयरिंग करनी है. 2 और 2 की एक पेयर, 2 और 2 का एक पेयर, 5 और 5 का एक पेयर, दो नंबर का एक पेयर बनेगा. नाउ आउट ऑफ दीज टू आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट राइट 1. आउट ऑफ दीज टू आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 1, बीच में मल्टीप्लाई. आउट ऑफ दीज टू आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 1. ओके, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So square root of 400 is 20. That means 20 into 20 is 400. Okay, what I have done, see here, 400 की factorization, I have done the prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 200, 2 1 0 0, 250, 25, 5 1. Right, like this I have written the factorization. Then we have to find the square root like this. Square means two number, so we are going to form the pair of two numbers. The number should be same, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 5 and 5. Out of these two I am going to take 1 outside. I'll remove the sign and take 1 only. So out of these two I am getting 1 2 here, out of these two I am getting 1 here, out of these two 5 I am getting 1 5 here. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So square root of 400 is 20. One more thing. After prime factorization, when you get the exact answer, that means 400 is a perfect square. What I'm trying to tell you, let us see with other example. Suppose I have to find square root of 200 using prime factorization method. This will be 2 1 0 0, 2 50, 2 25, 5 5 5 1, right? So for 200 I'm going to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now what we have to do, pairing. These two will form one pair, these two will form one pair. Now for this two I don't have anything, so we'll leave it like this only. ठीक है, इसके साथ और कुछ नहीं है जिससे हम पेयरिंग करेंगे, so we will leave it like this. Now out of these two 1 will take outside, out of these two 5, 1 I am going to take here. But इस 2 की तो कोई पेयरिंग नहीं हुई, तो इस 2 को हम as it is लिख देते हैं. ओके, जिसकी पेयरिंग हुई है उसके ऊपर से साइन हट जाएगा, जिसकी पेयरिंग नहीं हुई है विल राइट दैट नंबर एज इट इज. 2 into 5 इज, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 10 √2, राइट? सो आई एम गेटिंग √2 हेयर. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 200 इज 10 √2. ओके, इट इज read as 10 √2. Since it is coming root over here, इसकी कोई पेयरिंग नहीं हुई है, that means 200 is not a perfect square. Okay, हमने इसका स्क्वायर रूट तो निकाल लिया 10 √2, but this is not a perfect square. ये एक perfect square नहीं है. Okay, this is how we find the square root by prime factorization, and we can check whether the number is a perfect square or not. All right. Now you will be able to do question number 1, all the parts by this method. They are very easy. You have to find the prime factors. Already I have taught you first part 400. Okay, I'll tell you the third part as well. Rest all you are going to try it by yourself. Let me teach you third part, that is 1 2 9 and 6. We'll do the prime factorization. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. See, these factorization method you have started already in 7th standard. Still, if any one of you don't know how to do this, text me personally, I'll explain this to you. Okay, you have done this method in your 7th standard. You know how to find the factors. You have done HCF LCM, you clearly know how to find the factors. Okay, but still if you have any confusion you can ask me. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 6, 2 8s are 16, then 81 will go by 3. This we got the factors of 1296. Right, now I'm going to do the pairing. These two, these two, these two and these two. Out of this, 1 will come outside. 1, 3 here, 3 here. Okay. Now nothing is left unpaired. So we have this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. That means square root of 1296 is 36. So 1296 is a perfect square. Okay, this is how we do a prime factorization and check whether the number is a perfect square or not. This is your first part. Third part, you are going to try other parts also. Right, next I'm going to we'll come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, let us read it. Find the smallest number in which each of the given number can be multiplied so that it is a perfect square. I am explaining you what they are asking. हमें एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है, जो भी ये नंबर हमें गिवन है कोई भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. हमें एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है, उस नंबर से अगर मैंने मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. हमें वो नंबर फाइंड करना है. How we are going to do this? Let us come to question number 2, first part. It is 512. What are we going to do? First I am going to find the prime factors of 512. हमें एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है जिससे मैं 512 को मल्टीप्लाई करूं so that 512 becomes the perfect square. They are saying it is not a perfect square. By what number I should multiply it so that it can become a perfect square? So this will be 2, 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Like this I am going to do the factorization. I get the factorization of 512. That is 2 into, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for the perfect square, what we do? Pairing, right? So if I see this 2 form a 1 pair, 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 but this 2 is left out now. It doesn't form any pair, right? Now अगर मैं अब इस 2 के लिए एक पेयरिंग ले आऊँ तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. ये 2 अकेला है ना. If I bring one more 2 over here, this will become a perfect square. That means we have to multiply 512 by 2 to make a perfect square. This will be your answer. Very simple. The left out one will be your answer. अगर मैं एक और 2 ले आऊँगी, यहाँ पे एक और 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ तो इसकी पेयरिंग हो जाएगी. 512 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन, जो भी नंबर आएगा वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. मतलब 512 को अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, मतलब 512 को अगर मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ, so the number formed will become a perfect square. Let us do one more part for this. We'll do the third part, that is 1323. I have to find the number by which 1323 can be multiplied so that it become a perfect square. So for 1323 we'll do the factorization. Okay, this one we go with 2, 5, 3 and 2 is 5, 8, 9. This will go by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. 4 4 8 plus 1 is 9, again by 3. 147, 8 and 4 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 7 sevens are 7 ones are. So 1 3 2 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So for perfect square what we do? Pairing. These two form one pair, these two form one pair. What is left? 3. तो अगर मैं एक 3 से मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ, so this will become a perfect square. So 1 3 2 3 is to be multiplied with 3 to become a perfect square. So this will be your answer. Coming to question number 3, find the smallest number by which the number can be divided. इसमें डिवाइड करना है कि किससे हम उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे पहले, नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड. Again we have to follow the same steps, only the last step will be changed. We'll do the second part for this. Question number 3, second part. 1575. Okay, 5 6 6 6 12 13 and 5 18. This will go by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 25, 21, 3 5s are 15. Then it will go by 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 7s are 7 ones. So 1 5 7 5 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Again we'll do the same steps, pairing. What is left out? 7. अब वहाँ क्या था? हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना था. अगर मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करना होता so I'll multiply it by 7. Now मुझे डिवाइड करना है. अगर मैं इस पूरे को 7 से डिवाइड कर दूँ, 7 से 7 कट जाएगा. नाउ 7 से 7 कटेगा, सो जो मेरा लेफ्ट आउट पार्ट बचेगा ये हट जाएगा, राइट. सो लेफ्ट आउट पार्ट की पेयरिंग हो जाएगी, दैट मीन्स इट विल बिकम अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो किससे हम डिवाइड करें? 1575 शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय 7 टू बिकम अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. Right? So either it is multiplied or divide. Whatever the left out part, that will be the answer. That is very simple. Multiply किससे करना है? जो भी left out होगा pairing में. Divide किससे करना है? जो भी left out होगा pairing में. Okay, so both of them are same. So for this, I have done second part. You are going to do fourth part also in your fair notebook. Alright? So question number 1, first part and third part. Question number 2, first part, third part. Question number 3, second and fourth. These you have to do in your fair notebook. Coming to true false. The number of digits in a square of a number are always even. Are they always even? Like square of 12 is 144. How many digits are there? 3. It is odd, right? So it is not true that it has to be always even. So answer is false. Square of prime number is prime number? False. Let me tell you, square of 2 is 4, but 4 is not a prime number. 2 is prime, prime का square किया हमने 4 आया. 4 is not a prime number, so this is false. No square number is negative. Square of a number can never be negative. Remember this. This is a property again. Square of a number can never be negative. The difference of two square number is a square number? False. Let me take two square numbers 144 and 4. 144 12 का square, 4 2 का square. Answer is 140, which is not a square of a number. So answer is false. 4000 is a square of a number. How many zeros are there? 3. It is odd number, so it is not a square number. Answer is again false. Okay, so this completes up with your exercise 3A. Do your questions in the fair notebook. Whatever the problems are, you can ask me. Right? This was method number 1, prime factorization. tomorrow we'll do the second method, that is long division method.